Today we will learn how to score maximum marks in your English paper. First of all, coming to the unseen passage, as you can see there is a passage over here. Never go for the passage directly, go for the questions. Find the keywords from those questions and try to locate them in your passage and develop your answer accordingly. Most of the students write the exact same lines from the passage which might lead to a blunder. Try avoiding that and write answers in your language. Coming to the poem, as you can see there is an extract given. Learn the central idea or the theme of the poem. Don't forget to mention the name of the poet because not all the students do that. Mention it as the examiners will find out your answer authentic. Now comes the literature. Follow the exact word limit. For short answers, 4 to 5 lines. For long answers, 10 to 12 lines. And use good vocabulary. The right special keywords and phrases from each chapter which could be used in the examination. Underline those keywords so that the examiner can notice that. As it is mentioned, with a pencil you can underline the keywords and help yourselves. Try to use short sentences where possibility of mistakes are less. For question answers, divide your answer into 3 parts. Introduction, you can get that from the question itself. Body of the answer where you can write the main points. And conclusion, use of linking words to finish. Linking words are like however, hence, in addition to the previous paragraph to link with the upcoming line in the paragraph. You may also use some good words like instead of using also, you can use moreover. Anyway can be replaced with nevertheless. Instead of writing I think, you can write in my opinion. For and can be replaced with in addition. Instead of using but, you can write however. Instead of using so, you may write therefore to get good marks. Thank you.